Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the OneDrive account that owns the folder. This matters because changing names affects sync metadata. Once signed in, open File Explorer or the OneDrive web interface and navigate directly to the folder you want to rename. Make sure the folder isn't currently syncing or locked by another app, because that can cause conflicts. Pause sync if necessary. Now, right-click the folder or select the name field to begin the rename action and proceed with the next steps. You can rename the folder either in File Explorer or on the OneDrive webpage. Do whichever you prefer because both update the cloud. When renaming, use a clear name and avoid reserved characters like colon, asterisk, question mark, quotes, angle brackets, or pipe because those are blocked. After you change the name, watch the OneDrive icon for sync activity and give it time to propagate across devices. If you have many files, the sync may take longer. Be patient and monitor progress. Once done, verify the new name appears on another device or on OneDrive. COM so you confirm propagation. If you see a conflict, duplicate folders or files, resolve it by choosing which copy to keep and then merge contents carefully because automatic merges can overwrite data. If the rename doesn't show up, restart OneDrive or sign out and back in to refresh metadata. One key troubleshooting tip: if files are stuck, pause sync, rename, then resume. That often clears locks and forces a clean update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.